When it comes to your entrance solutions, you don't have time to worry about breakdowns, issues, or disruptions. And keeping up with changing regulations is exhausting. Your focus should be on running your business seamlessly. That's why we're proud to introduce an all-new service offering that gives you the comprehensive coverage you need. ASSA ABLOY Maintain helps you meet the latest regulations and keeps your operations running. ASSA ABLOY Optimize is an all-inclusive offering ensuring peak performance of your entrance solutions. Its full suite of preventive and corrective maintenance and digital services gives you complete peace of mind. And if you need flexible service, ASSA ABLOY Select makes it easy to stay running safely and smoothly. From immediate repairs and routine maintenance to digitalization and modernization, this new service offering is driven by skilled engineers and technicians. Delivering over 60 years of experience and knowledge, along with cutting-edge technology and continuous innovation, we'll find the perfect solution to fit your business. No matter where you are in the world, we are dedicated to being your most strategic, professional, and innovative service partner. This is service driven by expertise.